Welcome to another random cooking video, and in this video I'm gonna be making yachejeon, which is Korean vegetable pancake. I've already had it and I had it at a Korean restaurant and I loved it, and I'm craving some, but obviously it's too late to order in, so I'm gonna make it. Let me quickly collect the ingredients and BRB. Okay, so I'm back with the ingredients. Now it's a Korean vegetable pancake, so you're free to use whatever vegetables you like, but I'm not a huge vegetable fan, so the only vegetables I have here are capsicum, carrot, and spring onion. Now we want to cut all of these in juliennes, which means like the vertical, like long cuts, and I'm gonna do that and be right back. Apart from that, I also have, I forgot onion. I got the onion. Let me quickly run you through the other ingredients. We need salt, we need sugar, we need ginger garlic powder, we need some minced garlic, oil, salt, sugar. Did I say salt twice? Maybe yes. Then we need sesame oil, we need regular vegetable oil, vinegar, soy sauce for the dip, and some green chilies. I'll quickly cut the vegetables and be right back because I'm not gonna show my cutting skills, which are terrible, so I'll be back. You know what? YOLO. I'm just gonna show you guys my amazing chopping skills, because why the heck not? Finally done cutting the vegetables. These onions are making me cry, and nobody's gonna judge this because it's so freaking hot and it's convenient. So okay, we are kind of done doing all the choppy stuff. Let me show it to you. We're gonna ignore this. Anyways, y'all, I'm already tired. Should I continue? Should I not? I'm gonna continue. I have already invested a lot of time in this. I always start cooking and then midway I regret why did I start. I should have just ordered, but here we are again. Okay, so now to this we have to put flour and water. I have no idea and no patience anymore to go search back how much was the measurement and measure it and put, so I'm just gonna eyeball it. Okay, I mean, I kind of know how it, I hope this is maida. Okay, I think that much is enough. So I'm gonna do all these weird stuff. Okay, and we put sugar. I'll mix it a little bit and then put water to it. Okay. Oh my god, it is so hot. Anybody watching this from Mumbai, you guys know what I'm talking about. Anyways, this looks good. No, it doesn't, but anyways. Let's put some water. And I already don't know how much. I'm just gonna put a little bit in. Hope it's not too much. The last time I did the cucumber thing though, you guys seem to like it, so oh my god. Something's wrong. Oh, what is wrong? Maybe the fact that you didn't follow any measurements. If that's what you're gonna say, don't say it, because you'll see how this comes together, hopefully. Wait, it kind of smells good. Okay. What's that? A pretty knife that I stuck 10 times in his back. Okay, so I have heated a pan over here, a skillet, and I'm gonna just add a little bit of, actually a lot of sesame oil, because that's what I saw these people using, because apparently we need it to be really crunchy. So I'm gonna put some vegetable oil as well. and then we're gonna wait for it to be hot. Gas on. Yes, it is. What else do I need? Okay, we're gonna wait for that to be hot, and then this should work, right? Yeah, I'm gonna use this. Y'all, clap for me. Clap for me right now. Clap. I'm waiting. So, this girl right here forgot to put scallions, spring onion in this. That was the whole point. What am I even doing? Okay, let's quickly add it now. Thank God I didn't put it on the flame and then realize. So actually you should actually so basically you're supposed to cut this in juliennes as well, but my mom already cut it and kept it in the fridge. I'm not sure why, so I'm just gonna directly add it. Don't forget to add the scallion like me. Okay, I think it's kind of hard, so let's try this. Mama, I'm scared of oil. It should be really thin, apparently. So if I feel like it's gonna be really thick in one go, I'm gonna make 2 pancakes. Yeah, it's gonna be really thick. Okay, let's just do two pancakes then. This looks kind of... Y'all, I'm not even kidding. This looks like the video. Let me show you. Hello. Who is she? Imagine my phone falling in that. Okay, let's quickly make some dip. Okay, so we're gonna be putting some soy sauce, a little bit more, some vinegar. Bro, that was a lot. Shit! I got too excited. Let's hope it turns out. I'm going to be putting brown sugar instead of regular sugar. Oh my god, I'm worried about the dip. Hey Bhagwan, bachale re baba. And we keep mixing. I'll see you when the pajan is done. Pray for me right now. Do it. Please don't break. Oh my god, it's gonna break. It's gonna break! Looks like it's gonna break. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Not bad. We're doing good. Right? It's kinda open. Yeah, this is fine. Shut up. This is fine. It almost broke. Y'all, I'm kind of bored. I think the second one's much better, and that's because I realized that I should put a little bit more batter, so I added more maida and I added more water, and I made it a little liquidy, and then it looks like this, like a proper pancake. Woo! Quick taste test, cause who doesn't eat the food when they're cooking? I don't know about you, but I do. So let's have this hot, but really hot pajon. Again, I've lost patience, so no chopsticks for me. I'm gonna eat it with hand. I can't even. This is so good. I'm going for another one. No. Try it. You have to try doing this. You have to make this. I don't care. Make it. It's so good. It is so good. That's it. Bye. At least bite तो कर ले.
मस्त है.
सच में बता.
Very nice.
थैंक यू।
ब्लैक बीन सॉस के साथ और भी अच्छा लगा।
सोया सॉस है वो।
जो भी है।
जाएगी नहीं लाके दूं? नहीं अच्छा लगा ना तुझे?
नहीं अच्छा है, सीरियसली अच्छा है।